So guys, time check, 11 PM Wednesday, July 23. More than 1 month tayong suspended kay Facebook. Pero kanina guys, eto, ilang minuto lang. May na-receive tayong email from Facebook. Sabi dito, we'll help you to get back on Facebook. We think someone may have access your Facebook account without your permission. We're here to help. We unlock your account, which means no one can log in or view your Facebook profile. Follow the link below and we'll guide you through the next step to get back on Facebook. So, ito na-receive natin guys. Official yan from security@facebook@gmail.com. So, unlock na natin. Click natin to. So, ito po yung nag-appear. July 23. June 19 tayo na-suspend. So, ilang buwan din guys. More than 1 month. And click natin get started. Click next. Remove account from account center. So, eto, i-remove natin to. Wait lang guys. Select anything you do not recognize. Ito po is yung ating IG. So, ibabak lang natin yan. Keep everything lang natin. Secure your login details. Ayan yung ating email guys. Ano makikita nyo dito. Ayan. May 28, 2025 natin to nilink. Click next. Mag-enter tayo guys ng bagong password. Ayan. Enter lang tayo. Guys, kapag meron na kayong nagawang password, save changes lang. Ayan, click nyo lang guys. Wait nyo lang po dito. Ayan, loading lang siya. Ayan, continue to update. Update natin yung password. Your new login details. Ito yung ating contact details. Yung pa rin yung email natin. Click lang natin next. Ayan, na-unlock na natin yung ating account. You've unlocked your account. Ayan, pwede na tayong bumalik sa Facebook. Back to Facebook na tayo. Ayan na guys. Ayun na. So successful na tayo guys. Nakabalik ulit tayo sa Facebook. So punta tayo dito sa app. Ito yung status guys ng ating Facebook kanina. Ayan, login session expired na siya. So back lang kayo sa Facebook. Yung ginawa nyo na bagong password, yun na po yung gagamitin nyo. So ito yung ating Facebook account. Login lang tayo. Ayan. So guys, kapag na-input nyo na yung password, click login. And then, meron po yung OTP coming from your WhatsApp. Copy nyo lang yung code. Input nyo lang dito. Then, click continue. Ayan na guys. So, nabalik natin yung ating Facebook account. More than 1 month. July 19 tayo guys na suspend. And ngayon lang guys, bumalik yung ating account. So, ayan na. So, yun lang guys. Ang kailangan lang gawin is maghintay lang talaga and mag-appeal kung meron kayong Meta Verified Batch. And syempre, wag muna kayong gumawa ng mga duplicate Facebook account kung kayo po ay nasuspend. Kailangan nyo lang talaga yan guys, hintayin mabalik. As long na wala kayong nalabag na violation or restrictions, mababalik po ang inyong Facebook account. Follow for more and don't forget to subscribe dito sa ating YouTube channel for full guide and full details. Bye-bye.